Have you ever felt this way? You want to achieve something big. You dream about success. You imagine a better life. But when it's time to act, you delay. You say, tomorrow. If you have ever been ambitious but lazy, then this story is for you. It may change how you see your life forever. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a young man named Thomas. Thomas was 25 years old. He was strong, healthy, and full of dreams. He often told his friends, "One day, I will be the richest farmer in this village. My field will shine golden with crops. People will come to me for advice, and I will be respected everywhere." Everyone in the village admired Thomas's ambition, but there was one problem. Thomas was lazy. When the sun rose, other farmers went to the fields. Thomas stayed in bed. When the men worked under the hot sun, Thomas sat in the shade talking about his dreams. When the women carried water from the well, Thomas said, "I will do it later."
He always had big plans, but no action. He loved to imagine success, but he hated to do the hard work that success needed.
One evening, Thomas's uncle, an old and wise farmer, came to visit him. He looked at Thomas's empty field. The land was rich, but nothing was growing. He said, "Thomas, my son, why is your land empty? You talk about golden crops, but I see only dry soil." Thomas laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I will start tomorrow. My field will be the best. Just wait and see." The old man sighed. He had heard this "tomorrow" many times before. So he decided to teach Thomas a lesson. He took out 2 small bags. Inside were 2 different seeds. "These are not ordinary seeds," he said. "The first is the ambition seed. If you plant it and water it every day, it will grow into a tree that gives fruit, shade, and wealth. The second is the laziness seed. If you plant it, it will grow fast, but it will spread weeds across your whole field. It will destroy everything else." Now, Thomas, both seeds are in your hands. The future of your field and your life depends on which one you care for. Thomas thought, "Of course, I will plant the ambition seed. I want success." But when morning came, Thomas felt tired. "I will plant it tomorrow," he said. Days passed. Finally, out of boredom, he planted both seeds. He told himself, "Let's see what happens. I can always take care of them later." Weeks went by. Thomas forgot about them. He spent his days sleeping, gossiping, and dreaming about success. Then, one day, he went to the field, and he was shocked. The laziness seed had grown quickly. Thick weeds covered the soil. They spread everywhere, choking the land. And the ambition seed, it was weak, small, and almost dying because it had received no water and no care. His dream was turning into a nightmare. His uncle returned and saw the field. He said, "Thomas, look at your land. This is your life. Ambition is like a small seed. It needs care, effort, and daily action. Without work, it dies. But laziness grows on its own. It spreads fast and destroys everything in its path. My son, you wanted to be great, but your laziness has already stolen your future." Thomas fell to his knees. He touched the dying ambition seed. Tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he realized the truth. Dreams are not enough. Only action keeps them alive. That night, Thomas couldn't sleep. He thought about his wasted time, his empty promises, his lost opportunities. He whispered to himself, "If I don't change now, laziness will own me forever." The next morning, before sunrise, Thomas woke up. He pulled out the weeds with his own hands. It was hard. His back hurt. His hands bled. But he kept going. He watered the ambition seed. He cared for it every single day. Slowly, it grew into a strong plant. And over the years, it became a great tree that gave fruits, shade, and wealth. Thomas changed too. He was no longer lazy. He became known as the farmer who fought his laziness and won. Dear listener, Thomas's story is not just about farming. It is about life. Each one of us has two seeds inside. One is ambition, one is laziness. Ambition grows only if you feed it daily with effort, discipline, and action. Laziness grows by itself, but it destroys your dreams. So if you are ambitious but lazy, remember Thomas's field. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Water your ambition. Pull out the weeds of laziness, because the longer you wait, the more your dream will die. If you enjoyed this story and learned something valuable, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who struggles with laziness. This is Wisdom Sky, helping you grow your ambition and live the life you dream of.